Hey everyone, I got these little USB power adapters. So basically, what it is it's a USB plug, but it's got a screw terminal. Oh, sorry, it's got a screw terminal pin out here on the back, so that you can actually put wires in there. And then this would be great, I guess, for a variety of do-it-yourself type techie experiments. But what I want is just the power. And right here in small print, they've got like I think it's like S and then a plus sign and then a D and then a D and then like a minus sign. So what I'm going to do is I've already tested this. If I hook this up to a power bank, so here's a power bank like this. Hook this up. I take my voltmeter and let's see, put the positive on the little red on the plus terminal, put the black on the negative terminal. There we go. That's what I was looking for. I was hoping for 5 volts, but close enough. So what I'm going to do is I've got a little lighted decorative tree that I'm going to hook up to this that runs on 4.5 volts. And I'm going to wire it up to this thing and see if I can run it, because this little decorative tree has been eating up batteries like no tomorrow, so it's getting kind of expensive. All right, so let's get this hooked up and see if it lights the tree. So that's a little decorative tree I was talking about. The ends of each one of those little branches is a LED. It runs on 3 AA batteries, but the problem is it only runs for about like 4 or 5 days and then it runs the batteries down. So I'm going to see if I can use this power pack.
Now, lucky for me, this decorative tree happened to come with some wires already attached to the battery compartment. That's because they had this little demonstration button that you could push when you were in the store. So I cut off that little battery button pack and ripped off or stripped off some of the plastic coating, wired them into the negative and positive screw terminals of this adapter that I'm holding, and once connected to the power pack, let's see if that makes my tree light up. And voila, there you have it. So I hope this video helps you out if you ever decide that you want to tap into some USB power source. You can get that little adapter and wire it up just like I showed. Thanks for watching.